Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, ISWA. Friends, this is mathematics lecture, class 7, chapter number 15, properties of triangles. Here in this video session, we will discuss some questions of exercise 15D. In the last video lecture, we had covered questions number 1 to 10. So here we will see from question number 11 till question 18. In here, friends, we will complete the chapter. In this video session, we will complete the chapter with solving couple of questions of exercise 15D. So let's get started. Now see friends, question number 11 says, this is the long statement question, but this is very simple questions if we look at very closely, friends. Now see, the tree is broken by the wind but does not separate. This is the first statement. And now second, if the point from where it breaks is 9 meters above the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from its foot, find out the total height of the tree before it broke. Now first, friends, we will make a figure of this, then we will solve. If we make the figure, then we can easily sort out the problems. Here the first, once again, the tree is broken by the wind. Suppose this is the tree. Okay, either here. This is the tree. Now the tree is broken by the wind, but does not separate. Suppose, friends, this is the height of the tree, total height, and now this is suppose ये B, and this is suppose C. This is the top portion of the tree and this is the bottom portion of the tree, B. And now by winds the tree broke, suppose breaking, and now after breaking, friends, this top portion, and says if the point from where it breaks is 9 meters above the ground. यहाँ से ट्री यहाँ से टूटना शुरू करता है, फ्रेंड्स, हवा से, और यहाँ से यहाँ तक की हाइट दी हुई है कितनी, 9 मीटर. अब now it top touches means top points is the C, friends, touches the ground. This point C will touch the ground at a distance 12 meters from its foot. This is the foot, friends. Suppose this is 12 meters. Okay, sorry. And now this breakdown and now touches here. So this is the figure, and now C becomes here, friends, after breaking. Okay, suppose this is A. Now, friends, the total height of the tree, this height becomes this height, friends. This height AC is nothing but this becomes this AC is here, this is also AC. Okay, look at the, friends, हिंदी. एक ट्री है, BC हाइट के एक ट्री है, हवा के झोंके से यहाँ से वो जो पेड़ क्या है, ट्री टूट जाती है, सेपरेट नहीं होती, क्वेश्चन के अंदर सेपरेट नहीं होती है, और ये टॉप जो पोर्शन, ट्री के जो टॉप पोर्शन है वो ज़मीन पर टच करती है, वो इस तरह से टच करती है कि इसके फुट से 12 मीटर की दूरी पर टच करती है. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. टोटल हाइट फाइंड करना फ्रेंड्स. दैट मीन्स ये टोटल हाइट तो यहाँ पे BC है फ्रेंड्स. दैट मीन्स 9 सेंटीमीटर. AB इज 9 सेंटीमीटर एंड BC इज 3 सेंटीमीटर, 12 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, टोटल हाइट फाइंड करना. इफ़ यू फाइंड आउट दिस हाइट, अगर फाइंड कर ले इस ट्राइंगल में AC, if we find AC, then we can add AC to AB, becomes the total height of this tree. And look at the friends, tree is sitting on the ground. Okay, and that makes 90 degree on the ground. Okay, that makes 90 degree from the ground. ट्री जो है वो सीधा ज़मीन पे तो खड़ी होती है. ओके, और ज़मीन से 90 का एंगल बनाती है. ओके, दिस इज 90 डिग्री. नाउ फ्रेंड्स सी in triangle. First, what we have to find in triangle, what we have to find the total height of the triangle, height of the tree. Height, HEIGHT, height of a tree. Total height of a tree, friends, this is AB plus, that is AB. Total height of the tree, AB. Okay, that we have to find. Now in triangle, in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Then we apply the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is what, friends? This is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular AB square plus base BC square. Okay, so this is what, friends? AB is given, this is 9 meter square, and BC is 12 whole square. So this is 81. And now friend, this is 140. This is 5 friends, and this is 8 plus 4 12. 1 is balanced, this is 2. So AC square is equal to, now AC is equal to under root, friends, 225, and we know that the square root of 225 is 15. So the value of AC is 15. So this AC, this is also AC, friends. Now see, friends, the height of the tree. Have a look. From AB is 9 meter and AC 15 meter. So we can add both the values. Now the height of the tree. So the height of the tree is equal to, friends, AB. So AB could be written as AB plus, so the height of the tree, sorry friends, BC is the height. Okay, so the height of the tree BC could be written as, this is AB plus AC. We can say 9 plus 15, this is, friends, 24 meter. So this is answer. Now see, friends, question number 12 says two poles 18 meter and 13 meter high stand upright in a playground. Okay, if their feet are 12 meter apart, find the distance between their tops. First, friends, to make the figure, the two poles. Now the first is, friends, this is 18 meter high. Okay, and this is the, friends, base. Okay, this is, look at the base, this is the base. We can say this is the ground. This is, friends, ground. Okay, now this is the one pole and with height 18 meter, and another is 13 meter. Okay, but stand up, both poles are standing on the ground up. Okay, if their feet are 12 meter apart. Another is, friends, this is okay, this is 13 meter, and they are separated between here 12 meter. Okay, this question says if their feet are 12 meter apart, that means it is separated by 12 meter. Okay, then find the difference between their tops. Their tops is here, friends, this is the top portion, and join these tops, friends. Now join, we join the top. Look at, friends, we have to find this, friends, this distance. Look at the, friends, now this is, suppose this is A. Now draw the line, friends. Suppose this is B and here is C. Now friends, we have to find the distance in between top, means we have to find the AC. Now AC is equal to what? If you look at closer, this is the बिल्कुल straight top poles friends, and which makes here the 90 degree. Okay, and now this distance is 12, this is also 12 meter friends. Okay, and now see here friends, here this is 13 meter is here. Look at, this is also 13 meter, but the total height friends, look at here, the total height 18 meter. Okay, the total height is 18 meter. We have to find the height of this portion AB. No, now the AB becomes friends, and this is 13, this is also 13 friends. So if we subtract total height minus 13, becomes this height, this is 18 minus 13, so becomes friends, this is 5 meter. I hope friends you will be clear. Look at the friends, this total height, suppose this is A, this is P, and this is suppose Q. Look at friends, the height AP is the first pole with 18 meter height, and CQ is the second pole with 13 meter height. Okay, now we have to find this distance friends. How? The total height, this total height minus 30 centimeter, 13 centimeter becomes 5 centimeter. So the AP is, now AP barabar 18 minus 13 meter, this is 5 meter. And now friends, BC, this is BC is 12 meter, and we have to find AC. So look at the triangle friends closely, A, B, C. Now we can write friends in triangle A, B, C. Angle B is 90 degree. Then we apply friends Pythagoras theorem. Why? Because we have to find this is hypotenuse. So this is perpendicular and this is base. So by Pythagoras theorem, now Pythagoras theorem, this is AC square hypotenuse, this is AB square perpendicular, and BC, AB square perpendicular, and BC base square. Now AB is given friends 5 square, BC is given 12 square, this is 25 plus 144. So AC square becomes, after adding 169. Now friends, AC is equal to a square root 169 becomes 13, this is meter. So we can say that this is the length is, this is 13 meter. We can say friends, the difference in between their tops is 13 meter. So this is answer. So this is friends, AC is the answer. I hope friends you will be clear. Now see friends, a man goes, question number 13, a man goes 35 meter due west. First friend, to make the figure, this is north, south, east and west. A man goes 35 meter due west. So here is the friends west. Suppose this is friend starting point. Okay, then the man goes west. This is friends what is 35 meters suppose. Okay, he is standing over, starting point is here, and now then 12 meter due north. So north is friends up 12 meter. $35 meter friends, and to 12 meter this is suppose up, this is 12 meter. Okay, then how far is he from the starting point? So this is the starting point and this is the final point friends. Okay, the man reached over here. Now we have to find the distance in between them, and otherwise we can say well, this is the displacement, because the initial point, the line joining between initial and final is called the displacement. We have to find that is distance. This is nothing, this becomes friends right angle triangle level. This is suppose A is the initial point, B is here and C is the final. So AC, that we have to find AC. Now you can easily find out friends with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, why friends? Now AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then calculate and you will get the answer. Okay friends, you can do it. Now see friends, question number 15 says find the length of diagonal of the rectangle whose sides are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Now friends, first draw the figure rectangle. This is friends rectangle, Okay, now level, this is suppose A, B, C and D. Now friends, whose sides 16 and 12? So 16 is the length friends and 12 is the breadth. Okay, so this is also 16, this is also 12. Opposite side of a rectangle are similar and opposite side of rectangle are also similar. Now, and each interior angle is right angle, right angle, right angle, and this is right angle. We have to find the diagonals. There are two diagonals of this rectangle friends. If we joining BD or AC, suppose AC, we join AC. Look at this is friends diagonal, and both the diagonals are equal friends. Either we can find AC or BD. Okay, no, only one diagonal we have to find. Now friends, from the figure, if you look at the from, this is A, B, C. So A, B, C is a right angle triangle at B is 90 degree. Okay, now we can easily find out this becomes hypotenuse. Okay, now from the figure, in triangle A, B, C, angle B is friends, this is 90 degree. Now by Pythagoras theorem, okay friends, so Pythagoras theorem says friends, hypotenuse square AC square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, means AB square plus BC square. Either we can take the diagonal as BD, AB 16 ka square plus BC, this is 12 square. Now friends, this is 16, 256, 12 square 144. Add friends, 0 1 is balance, 0 1 is balance, this is 4. Now AC, so AC is equal to friends under root 400. Now the square root of 400 is 20. So the 20 centimeter is the required answer of this question. I hope you will understand. Now see friends, question number 16 says, find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and a diagonal is 41 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Now first draw the figure. This is A, B, C and D. Okay friends, actually if the figure is not this is A, B, C and D. Now whose length is 40 centimeter? Length friends 40 centimeter. This is also 40 centimeter. Breadth is we don't know, and the diagonal is 41 centimeter. Diagonal either this friends or either BD. This one is 41 centimeter, and we have to find the perimeter. First friends, P is we have to find, perimeter is find. Okay, D is given 41, D for diagonal, and length L is given friends 40 centimeter, but P do not given, P is not given. First we have to find, so B for breadth, breadth is not given, we have to find the breadth, then we can apply the formula perimeter of rectangle. If you look at the friends, the perimeter of rectangle P is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, but length is given but B is not given, breadth is not given. We have to find the breadth with the help of this diameter, with the help of these two values friends. But how to approach to find out? Now see friends, diagonal of rectangle is what friends? Now diagonal of rectangle is equal to friends, is the given, this is 41 okay. Now from formula, diagonal of rectangle is what? From formula under root friends, under root length square plus breadth square. This is the formula of diagonal, and this equal to 41. Diagonal of rectangle friends, under root length square plus breadth square. Now taking a square on both sides, दोनों तरफ square लेने में friend, this is L square and this becomes B square and this is 41 whole square. Taking a square taking a square on both sides. Now see friends, L, the value of L is given. L is, this is L is what? This is 40. Then 40 square. B square is as it is. Now this is 41 square. Okay friends. Now see, B square as it is. Bring this 40 square to the right hand side, becomes minus 40 square. This is A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. This is A and plus B. This is B. A plus B into this is A minus B. Now solve friends. 41 plus 40, this is 81, and multiply by 41 minus 4, this is 1. So this is B square and becomes 81. Hence friends, we can say the B is equal to under root 81. So this is 9 centimeter. So the breadth becomes friends 9 centimeter. Okay. Now this formula we had already discussed. This formula in the previous video lecture. A square minus B square is equal to friends A plus B into A minus B. Okay. Now friends see. Then afterwards we have to find friends perimeter. Now P is equal to friends 2 into L plus B. So the L is friends, this is 40 is given, 40 L is given, and now B is given. B is find this 9. So now to add friends, this is 49. Now multiply 98 centimeter. This is required answer. I hope you will be clear. Now see the next question. Now see friends, question number 17 says find the perimeter of a rhombus. The lengths of whose diagonals are given 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. But one property is important friends for related to diagonals. Diagonals bisect diagonals of a rhombus. Diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. So this is 8 centimeter. This is also 8 centimeter. So this diagonal is AC 16 centimeter, and this is BD is 30 centimeter. So this is 15 and 15. Diagonals of rhombus. Each diagonal of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degrees. So this becomes right angle triangle. This is also right angle triangle. This is also right angle triangle. This is also right angle triangle. We will take any one. We will take any one right angle triangle. Then find out the first side, then perimeter. So first friend, perimeter of rhombus 4 into side. Okay, suppose the side A or A. Okay, that means 4 into A. Now first we have to find the side. So we can take any one of the triangles. See, in triangle suppose ABO. AOB. Angle O is equal to 90 degree friends by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. This is hypotenuse friends, look at, because here the 90 degree and the opposite side of 90 becomes hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse means A square means AB square. AB square is equal to this square. This is 15. This is 15. This is 15. That means AO square plus friends BO square. A is given 8 square. BO is given 15 square. So this is 64 and this is 225. So now friends 9. This is 8 and this is 289. So AB square becomes 200. Now AB is equal to under root 289. Therefore AB is equal to friends 17 centimeter. So the side is 17 centimeter. Hence A is equal to 17 centimeter. Okay. Now friends, perimeter P is equal to 4 into side A. So the 4 is 4 and the sides A is 17 centimeter. This is 68 centimeter. This is answer. I hope you will understand. See the next. Now friends, the next question is now not a very difficult question. You can solve this question. Okay, this is fill in the blanks. Now your homework friends, question number 11 to 18. 11 to 18. So please, if you have any doubt, confusion, ask me. Comment in the comment box below. Have a nice day.